me a new shirt today. Do you want to see it? It is. I'm not supposed to have it on. She said don't put it on, that she was going to wash it first, and then I could wear it. But I could not wait. Little Timmy could not wait. I had to put it on. You want to see it? Here. See my pointy nipples? Woo! It is Jimi Hendrix. I love Jimi Hendrix. He is awesome, dude! I have some cool sunglasses to wear while I listen to Jimi Hendrix. Are you ready?
You don't care for me, I don't care about that. You got a new fool, I like it like that. I have only one itch on the side. Let me stand next to your body.